Techs, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import Excel data from screenshots. You see, if you ever come across an Excel spreadsheet, but copying doesn't work or you want to retype it, here is what you can do. You can first take a photo or a screenshot. If you already took a photo, import it to your computer. Now open Microsoft Excel. Go to the Data tab, click Picture from File, and select the photo or screenshot. Excel imports the photo data and displays it on the right-hand side of your screen. It may take a few seconds. Double-check it and then click Insert Data. How was that? This saves you a lot of time. And look, it's so cool, right? It is, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you soon.